Hi, I'm Mary Amber Hughes here from We're About Wellness Friends, and I'm here with my Serena, and we are going to show you how to make some citrus bloom dryer sponges. And first we have to stick these sponges in and see how many we're going to fit in here. I'll be sure to include the recipe in the details below or description below. First you want a nice big container that you can put your dryer sponges in. And it said 5 to 10, but I think we have 12 here. Can you put some more in there, Serena?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can fit some over here. It said to trim your sponges. And we may have, it didn't tell me how much water for my recipe, so we're going to kind of just improvise and go with this. So we're going to need some baking soda for this recipe, some white vinegar, some water, and your sponges, and whatever essential oil of your choice. And because the citrus bloom came out, it has a really nice floral scent. It's not for internal use, but it is for aromatic, and I think it will make things smell really nice in the laundry. And so we've got about 10 in there right now. So the idea is we want to have liquid to come over that. With some more. And she's super excited about these spring colored sponges. So I thought she'd be, can you put them in there and see if we'll fit them? If they'll all fit in? Uh-oh. Some fell in the sink there. We're just here doing our busy school day. And we went to the chiropractor this morning, and we've come home, and we stopped at the store to get a few ingredients. We're excited about our local green cleaning class. Hang on. Oh, she wants to add the baking powder. So we need it to come up to about here. And we'll need our liquid to come up to about here. So this is almost double the recipe, so maybe I need to double the rest. Can you take those out?
Yeah.
Maybe I will need to double the actual ingredients. Jared is preparing lunch for us, so you may hear him or see him going around behind us. Hang on, hang on.
Okay,
and she's like, okay, Mom, I'm ready for this part. Let's just take out the sponges. We've got those in a nice pile. Yep, pour that all inside. Okay, that's a half a cup of baking soda.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put in 2 cups of water. Can you help me, Serena? All right, and she's been waiting to use this. Waiting to use our wonderful whisk. And I can tell right now, can you get some hot water there, Jared? That we're going to need some more water to go over top of our sponges. So that was 2 cups of water, and I'm going to add in 2 more cups of water.
Yeah.
All right, Serena. Alright, is it dissolving? The idea is you want to dissolve the baking soda. And I'm just going to add 1/4 of baking soda here. More. Alright. Let's stir it. Mommy, stir it around. It is hot because we put in some hot water. So we can dissolve. The idea is dissolve your baking soda. Oh, you're not going to like the taste of baking soda. You like that? No. All right, can you get me, go down and get your water over on the counter. See it? So we're going to dissolve this up here. So far we have 4 cups of water in here, hot water. I'm going to add 4 more cups because we have quite a few sponges. Sponges. All right, so that's a total of 6 cups of water, and and 1 cup of baking soda. So far, that was a half a cup, and we had 1/4 of a cup earlier, and a 1/4 of a cup before. Half a cup, then 1/4 a cup, and I added another 1/4 a cup. So let's dissolve this up. Total of 6 cups of water. All right. Now what do we know about
this one?
what do we know about baking soda and vinegar? Vinegar. They foam. Oh! What a fun recipe. Can we keep stirring? Oh my. We're going to put those in just a little bit. Let's make sure that we've got it all mixed up and dissolved. All right. Now, hang on, we've got to put in our drops. And it wants 10 drops of oil. Okay? Oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've got a little bit more, but we doubled it, so we can't. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so they called for anywhere from 5 to 10 sponges.
Me.
She calls him Bob. I think that's cute.
Mom, were these wet
right.
when you got these out of the package?
The one fell in the sink a little bit. All right, and then the idea is you throw all the sponges inside of here. So we've mixed up and dissolved and mixed up. Okay, and put those in. Spring sponges, some vinegar, baking soda, some essential oils, and you have yourself some drier sponges to go in the laundry to help keep the fabric, to soften your fabric.
No, Bean, I get the green one. You get the purple.
The pink? Pink one?
The pink. I get my purple and pink.
All right, so then what they want us to do is to kind of position them around in here. Oh, I think we're going to have to put this over in the sink because we're done. And then just kind of position your sponges. And we will do that later. And then here, you can put a label on there that says dryer sponges. And you just shake them a shake before you're going to put them in the dryer with your laundry. Stir it up. And then I have wet hands. You won't have wet hands. And then you can take, hang on. So it's dripping a little bit. You don't want it so runny, but you can squeeze just a little bit of that out and then put that in your laundry. And then it is, instead of a toxic filled, thank you so much for joining us to learn how to make these sponge dryer sponges. I might also mention that if you have a smaller family, or we have 9 in our family, or if you have less laundry that you do, you may need to make this recipe in a single batch, and I will include that in the description. We have a large family, and so we're doing lots of laundry every day, so this is going to be perfect for us. And we appreciate so much you joining us here today to learn how to make these. Hope that you'll join us here again.
Open.